Assalamualaikum everyone. This is me Ramsha Sultan and today I'm going to tell you about top 5 makeup removers available in India. I have tried a lot of makeup removers and I've ranked these as the top 5 makeup removers available in India. Let's begin with the video. On number 5, I have the Wow Micellar Facial Cleanser and Makeup Remover. Now this comes in a different packaging. It has a dispenser attached to it. So you need to take a cotton wipe and press it in this bottle. And the product comes in the cotton wipe like this, and then you can remove all your makeup. It very gently removes all the makeup and it's very nice to remove any type of heavy makeup that you have. On number 4, I have the Voste Aqua Makeup Remover. Now this comes in a spray form and I am so happy with products like these because it's so easy to use this makeup remover. Like you just need a cotton pad and what you have to do is just spray it here and then use it, or you can directly use it all over your face and then use a dry facial wipe to wipe all your face. And this is a very effective makeup remover. I really like it. Also, it's quite affordable and I really recommend it to you guys. On number 3, I have the Soothe-N-Clean Micellar Water. Now this is the cheapest micellar water in the entire list, so it is very affordable, and if you're looking for something to get the job done at low cost, you should go for it. This is especially good for sensitive skin people because it's very gentle, and if you're looking for a budget friendly micellar water in your kit, you should go for it. On number 2, I have the Wow Coconut Clarifying Micellar Water. It cleans the face very nicely, takes off all the makeup and does not dry the skin at all. So it's very gentle, and this is specifically good for dry skin people who feel very dry after removing the makeup with harsh facial removers. I highly recommend it to you guys. And on number 1 is the world famous Sensibio H2O Micellar Water. This is by far the best micellar water that I have ever used because it is so gentle. It is as gentle as water, but it is so effective in cleaning all the makeup. I can remove my eye makeup with this. Like I can literally take off my kajal with this micellar water and my eyes will not burn. It is that skin friendly. So if you have super sensitive skin and nothing suits you, or if you're looking for something which will not at all damage your skin and it's very safe to use, you should go for this micellar water. The only thing is, it is the most expensive micellar water in the list, but it is worth it. Anything that has a higher cost has a good quality as well. This is a French product, but it is widely available in India, and this is the reason it's quite expensive compared to the other makeup removers, but it is totally worth it. And if you want the best micellar water in the world, you should go for it. And that's it for the video, guys. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you want more such videos, I have a complete playlist of top 5 and top 10 makeup and skincare products available in India. Go check that out. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit that bell button, and please follow me on Facebook and Instagram. This is me, Ramsha Sultan, signing off.